Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If I say me ya ade na yesua ade kakra, if I say yesua ade kakra, I just want everyone to watch this video and learning something about it. I've got glue gun. You are glue. This so idea. So my with me the so idea. Wait a paper. Be a who idea we say a paper. And I make soon a metra and a metra. But shadi I made the idea I make tray every. My dear, and yes, she. The plug will say to me, she can cry. We said over more than say. You may be a wee piano. Yeah. But modern fat I drain ye before for count with money. I drain ye before for count with money. I person it say ye before count with money. Okay, this is number 1. Did kind ye? Okay, I've done this. My way. See, I was saying if I say, Nina baby, say, maybe, na maybe way so. You thought to be on maybe in this. Check. Near me minimum. Okay. I like this. Okay. I feel me the way they sit to. Sana beya. Would you see one of my insifem flats? The man akunya ewo tuono. Just watch. You see this one? Just watch. That's it. Are you thinking what I'm trying to do in? Guest. Oh, guest. I hope you're happy. What do you do? Me, what would you me pass me nana? What did you Hoshe? Wow, sha. Ediana me. Ediana me pass me. Guest. Try. Did you see what I tried to do? Oh yes, that's it. So, look at that. How do you think? Oh my dear, me person me here. Ah, it's like you dreaming. Guess for me. I've got a space for this hand. Let's see. Except with the glue gun, not Sonny be breed. Sonny be breed. Senebeya. 20 minutes. You have to put a lot of more glue gun so that it's not going to come off. Come right about it. Come off. So just put a lot of glue gun there and get your hands in touch. About 1 minute to 1 to 2 minutes, and it's going to be dry in a very, very good way. This one, I get water from Ghana. More. Okay, this is finishing. Yeah. Si abutre boko to boasi when ye na abutre super ali amede to sweet to boasi eno ma wa de ne ye fe e ho te e na e ye ni kanso. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Another more. Go to. So the last one. So the last one, I twist it like this so that it's not going to become off. Rib it for the yes, that's it. I have to do the same thing in the other side so that
Hi, my name is Melissa.
Maybe the same thing on the other side.
Ghana people, what to say?
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.